not to game over.
Okay. Well, is this project not like 2 months ago or 3 months ago? So yeah, this was like last session project. No?
Yes, I'm using it. Yes.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Timinino. Hello.
Yes, hello, sir.
Yeah, I said this project, this project was the one you showed us last month now.
Sir, this is not it.
This is not it. When did you make this one?
Sir?
When did you make this one? Is this something you did recently or
It's something recent.
how recent? Last week, this week, 2 weeks ago?
This week.
Okay. Okay. Well done. So the classwork we've been doing, do you have that one?
Sir?
The classwork that we've been doing, the project that we've been working on together, do you have that one?
Let me check. Sir, I can't find it.
Okay, so you don't have that one. Did you do it or you can't find it? You didn't. Did you do it? It's different from I can't find it on my PC. Hmm?
Sir, I can't find it.
No, did you do it first?
Yes.
First of all, did you do it?
Sir?
Did you do it? First of all, did you do it?
Yes.
And you saved
Yes.
it? And you saved it?
I'm not sure.
Did you save it? Huh?
I don't think so.
Okay, so when you work on a project, what are you supposed to do?
Sir, I can't hear you well.
Can everybody hear me? Miss Kechi, can you hear me? Can you hear me? I hope my voice is audible. Hi, good morning. Sorry.
Yes, I can hear you well.
Okay. So Timinino, I think you have to change your look
Yes,
at your
Timinino's voice is not
position.
clear.
Change the position of your maybe your internet router or
Okay, sir.
yeah. So yeah, what I'm saying is that when you work on a project, what are you supposed to do after you finish? What should be the next thing to do or the right thing to do to save yourself from unnecessary stress? You're not supposed to save.
Yes, sir.
So speak up. I'm not beating you, and you know I can't beat you virtually now. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Are you shy?
Huh?
Are you shy? Are you a shy type?
No.
Eh? Or is your last name Shayo?
No.
Okay, so you speak up. When I ask a question, I expect I want to get feedback. So as a guy, so as a guy, as a man, as a grown up man, you need to be audible.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So All right. So, cause this, okay, I like what you did. Well done. Um, Most importantly, I want to see what we've been doing, I think in the last 1 week, because irrespective of anything, we are going to bring this game to an end today so that by next week, we can start something new. So this game now, we can't even finish if we have to. I want to stop at this stage, maybe later on. Okay, later on, we will continue to improve it. Well, because if we want to, with the pace that we are now, if we want to dwell on this, we will remain here for like, we can be here for another 2 weeks. Okay, because that game is going to be, the code is going to be bulky. I don't want a situation where we'll be going forth and back on one project. Okay, we have other things to cover. So, which is why I always ask you guys to follow along, ask for the videos. Okay, you can watch it at your own spare time and get up to speed with what we are doing so that by the time you come to the next class, I don't have to go and start from the beginning again. So because if I have to do that, you people are dragging me back, okay? And if I don't do that, the people that are coming, so for instance, people that are just joining maybe for the first time or that didn't do the assignment, they will complain that, okay, they don't understand. So I have to go back again. So if we keep doing that, we won't move very fast, okay? So please try as much as possible to get the recordings and then watch through them because we have to finish this thing today. So by next week, we are starting something new. Okay. Hi, Liz Angel.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Next, you have to do the editing. Yeah. Yeah, Daniel, what's up? Yeah. You know, you're taking today's class. So with this, your voice, I don't think you have to look for something or you have to do something about it. So where are you now on your project? Huh? Yes, you can. Yeah. You're not seeing your screen, no? Yeah, Daniel, what's going on? Huh? Yeah, I can hear you. We can't see your screen.
I'm trying to see, but it's not sharing.
It's saying not sharing.
Yes.
No, I can't. Sorry, I can't hear. Miss Kechi, can you hear him?
Oh, Daniel, your voice is not too audible. Oh.
I'm trying to share, but not sharing failed system.
Can you type a message on the Angel? Hello, Liz Angel. Liz Angel, what's happening to your what's happening? What's the problem with your audio?
Daniel, what's up with your screen sharing?
Okay, you're trying to share, but it's saying screen sharing. Screen sharing failed. Can you so stop Zoom and join again. Disconnect and connect back. Liz Angel, what's wrong with your audio? We can't. Can you send a message to on the chat box? Okay. Yeah, I can see your screen. But the problem I have now is, are you connected to an headset or earpiece? You are connected to headset. So that means your voice is naturally low. Eh? Can you max it? Can you max your listing? Can you max your earpiece? The volume level. Can you max
I'm not
it?
hearing at all. I can't hear you.
Your voice used to be audible before now. What happened? You borrow somebody?
Yeah?
Did you borrow someone your voice? Okay. So okay, so um let me see your sprite one. Oh, okay. So what I meant was, see this place now, eh? This lower part now, okay? This lower part, you're supposed to create it as a separate level. So it was supposed to be like inside the costume sprite, you create another one that goes that the same that word, not on the same thing. Yeah, I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
What I did in
Hmm.
verse 1, did I do it in
No, no, no. Still the same sprite, okay? Still the same sprite. So now all you just have to do is, now remember what I was telling you about. So, okay, wait, stop sharing. Let me show you something. You can see my screen now. So now, can you see? So on this sprite now, my platform, I have level 1, level 2, okay? I have level 3. So what you are going to do for that one that the same, you create it as another level inside the same. Now, what I was telling you is, if you create this here, right? Sorry. If you create this here, you have a separate sprite, okay? You end up having a separate sprite. That's not what you want, okay? What you want is, you want to have as many sprites. So it's the same thing to this sprite now. This card sprite, if you look at this card sprite, it's just on this dashboard now. It's just one sprite. But if you go inside it, it has about 4, right? So with this costume now, it means you can loop through them. Okay, you can look through them one after the other. So it's the same thing that we want here. So here you have your level 1 as your platform, and then you have level 2, okay, and you have level 3. So the one that descend down, okay, because the thing is, when you're moving from one level to another level, you don't want to be on the same screen, okay? So you want to move away from the same screen, all right? So you can create, just duplicate, okay? You duplicate, and then you can now change, your, your, can now change your sprites this way. Just change it. Bring it down. Good. So if I do this, can you see? Can you see? Huh? So something like this is what I was talking about. Okay. Now on this one, you can do maybe like level 5. Okay. On the level 5, if I do this and duplicate. Now on this level 5, I can now decide to, okay, let me bring this down here. I can now decide to bring this guy out. So you can see now. So this just gives you like, remember, like I always told you that it just gives you, you just have to like play around, okay, play around things, okay, yeah. So from one level to another, I can just play around, it, yes, just play around it, add things to it, okay. So let's go to one. So we come here. Start. So go back. So what we want is this. So, okay, so this is changing our level to level 5. So you have to check your name in there. So let's go back to the main code. Okay, so for those that are here, okay, Jasil is here. Jasil, how are you? Jasil. Hello, Jasil. Hello, Jasil. Are you here?
He's logged in, but we can't hear his voice.
Okay. So now, so yeah, okay, so Daniel, let's go back to you. Let me see where you stop. Let me know where you stop in your code. So does it move left and right? Okay. Does it jump? Click on the green flag. Let me see. Click on it. So when you click OK, is that the only code? Is that the only code you have? Did you bring in the change the 4-speed the block you created?
Yes.
Let me see. Where is it? The move down, the up down movement. No. So you didn't do that. So you need to bring no. Go back to my blocks. So you need to bring that inside. Where's your green flag? So this, no, 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 no. That green flag is not complete. It's not. So this is what. So, so for the green flag, everybody please follow. So I think, so it means we have to go back again. Okay. We have to go back and start from the beginning. So now pay attention to this. Pay attention to this. If you've not done the, so this is the green flag. Now, when you click this green flag, okay, when you click the green flag here, this is what makes it fall down. Okay, so this is what makes it fall down. Now, if you've done this, Daniel, for you now, if you've done this part, okay, which I don't think you've gotten to this part yet. If you've done this part, now remember, like I said in the last class, that when you create, yes, so now, okay, now this is for the Mario, okay, now let's go back. So what you do now is, let's take your screen, because if I use my screen now, it will be, okay, this is your screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, have you created the it box?
What?
It box. Now go to your costume. In your Mario sprite, go to your costume. Now, in this costume, duplicate the last one. Yes. Duplicate. Now, draw a box. Don't make it too big. Don't make it too big. So, draw a box. Cut out some part of the main character itself. No, not that. Use the pick. Use the pick tool. Yeah, click on the car, click on the show. Or best thing to do, now drag this out, drag the square, drag the rectangle out, and click on that character, click on that Mario and delete it. Okay, so drag this one to the center. Yeah, reduce the size. Okay, that's even fine, it's fine. Okay, now that you've done that, move this hit box to the top. No, not that. The one on the costume. No, just leave that one at the center. Leave this one at the center. Move the costume, the Super Mario costume. This box that you have now, the third one, move it up. Just click on it and move up. Click on it and drag. No, not. Leave this one at the center. Just centralize this and leave it there. Click on the character. Click on this. The character. Yeah, yeah. So as you click, no, click on the black box itself. Yeah, and drag it up. Mhm. So now, you've done this. Click on the Mario. Now the reason for doing that is, if you leave the Mario this way, okay, if you leave the Mario this way, it will work. But once it gets to this point, the edge, once maybe any part of the body, maybe the shoe or the face of the Mario touches the edge of the platform, is going to hang. Okay, and you don't want it to hang that way. So what the hitbox will do is to create an effect that, so it just creates an effect that it doesn't make the body of the Mario to collide with the platform. Okay, which I think I've shown you that before. Okay. Uh, okay, so I've shown you that before. So it will just it just assume that this part of the body is cut off. Okay, so that's what this black box will do. It will prevent your character from colliding with the wall. Okay, so now go back. So you go back. So when you go back, okay, so have you done that? So now go back, come to this Mario now. This your Mario character. Duplicate it. Not that, not there, not from there. From the main Super Mario, this thing itself. No, not from there, not from there. From the sprite area, Leave this side, leave the costume. Yeah. Duplicate this now. Okay. So now that you've duplicated this one now, you have two sprites. Okay. So you have two sprites now. Okay. So what we want to do is to, because the way it is now, your character cannot turn left and right. Okay. But you can switch costume, but you can't turn left and right. Okay. So to create that smooth effect, come to the main character itself. Come to the main character and then delete all the codes that are there. And delete, yeah. Now, before you do that, check to ensure that your Super Mario 2 has has all the code that is already there, right? It has, Abby. Okay. So now, delete all the code here. Now, go back to Super Mario 2. Go to the costume. Now, delete all the character, delete the Super Mario character and leave just the box. So you can now rename your this thing hitbox. So come back here. Go back. So you can rename it hitbox. Then go back to Super Mario. Go back to Super Mario. Okay, delete the other box. Delete the box, just the box alone. Okay. So now, what you need to do now is, so uh, first, you have to make this hitbox. You have to make this character drop down first. So to do that, you've already done the if y, right? Yeah, the up and down movement. Let me see what you have. Okay. So now inside the if, you need to put set y velocity to jump height. Set y velocity. To jump height. You know it's if else. Okay. Now inside the if else, set y velocity to 0. Inside the else, and then change y. So the last else, change y velocity by default speed. Change y no. Inside, yeah. Change y velocity by default speed. So now go back to your green flag. Let me see what you have. So that's the only thing you have. Put a forever. Remove the next level first. Remove the next level. Take out those six level. Yeah, take them out. So the first thing is to set the size of your sprite. Set the size of your sprite to 38%. Yeah. It's in looks now. Where are you? It's in looks now. Okay. Now, set quotation style to left and right. Bring out a forever block. Okay. So if you've done that now, the next thing is the up and down movement. Bring it out. No, that's under my block. So change it to 16 and -1. The first one 16 and then the second one -1. So check if it's working now. Click on the green flag. Is it? So go back, change it, go back. It's working. No, click again and click the green flag. Did it work? No, it's not going back to. So go back. Okay, so now you need to go back to the You need to make it go back to the starting position. So now set the Y position, so go back, bring the set Y to 0. I know you don't put it inside the forever, put it at the top of the set. No, now. No, your Y velocity. Now, take it again. It didn't work, Abby. Okay. Push show on top of the green flag. Push show. Do it again. Yes. Okay. Let me see your, go back. Let me see your, the block. Hmm. Some speed, velocity, Y velocity. Set Y velocity to jump height. False. Comment. Okay. Something is missing. Hello. So now, okay, first, now create a broadcast message. Have you done broadcast message? Can you hear me? Hello. Okay, do a broadcast message. Do something. What you can call it touching hitbox. Or yeah. So now for no, just make it one word, not separately. Just make it one word. Or just you can call it hit call it yeah, just make it one word, but make it unique. Mm. Okay, so now you know this your so now you make this your character now. Make it go to the position you want it to start from first. So no, not make it come here. So this your this no. This wall is too long. It's the height is too much. So reduce it in a bit so that you can have enough breathing space. No, not that, not the hitbox. The the main background itself, the upper part here. So reduce it, take it up. You can still take it to the top, take it to the top so you have enough space. Yeah, so you can now move your character up a bit where you want it to start from. Yeah. So now once you do that, you bring out your your go to X and Y. So remember, like go. No, don't put it there. It should be where your brain is. So click on the green flag. Just drop it in. So now click on it again. Stop and click on it again. So that's it. Okay. So now the next thing is to make it move left and right. The next thing now is to make this character move left and right, to make the hitbox move left and right. Okay. So for you to do that, let me share my code so that other people can see. So now for so Daniel should understand some of the things here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the ones you don't understand, just call my attention to it. First, remember that this is nested inside. Okay, so for this one, you need to do change X and then bring your division sign inside it. Okay, like that. And then put your velocity, bring the absolutes into this. Okay, so the same thing goes for this guy too. And I think we've already discussed this. The same thing to this guy too. Okay, so this place you have to create your block. So for Liz Angel, so I don't know why your mic is not working. I need to know where you are. I need to know where are you? Where are you with us so that we can be sure we're on the same page. Hello, Lizzie. Liz Angel. If your mic is not working, can you send can you write with a text? Yeah. Yes, yes, I'm with you. Huh? I can't. I can't. Is your voice is quite faint. Please, can you type a message? Okay, I should explain the left and the right for you.
No, like why I'm creating the block. Why when is the right thing?
Which part? Which? So the thing is, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Your voice is dropping.
I'm just going to set it.
Type it. Rama, why the Udus are not here? Isn't can you type a message on the chat box if you can hear if you are with us? Hey, woo. No. Click on remember, like I said before, whenever you create a block, okay, whenever you make a new block, always check the run without screen refresh. Always check that, but that box.
Is there one without
Check on it, like tick it. Don't leave it empty. Do you understand what I mean? So just tick on that run without screen refresh. Tick on it. Yeah. Okay, you are done with the left and right. Okay, is it working? Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You don't know if it's working. Hello.
Yeah?
Did you say you don't know if it's working?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Is it moving? It's not moving. Did you put the left and the right movement this thing inside your forever block? Did you do this part? Eh? You did.
It's working.
It's working, Abby. I can't see. You need to look for a solution to this your, because I can't hear you. You are what? Uh, please type it as text. Can you what? Okay. Hmm? Where did it go to? No. Remove the ghost effects. That you won't understand what is happening. I need to explain that part. You won't understand what is going. This is your screen. Oh, shit. So it should have just stick to. Okay, do your left and right. No. Just press the left and the right keyboard. Let me see. Just press the left and the right keyboard. Is it working? Hello? Hello? Is it working or is not? It's not working. Okay. So I think where you have problem is with that extra block that you put. So what I was saying is that do the left and the right first before you put this or this one, because this one now, this pawn X and this pawn X and this pawn Y, okay, is for the other levels. So you've not gotten there yet. So if anything that you do now will now disrupt the entire program. So what I was saying is for you, focus on the left and the right first, okay? Focus on the left and the right first. So once you are done with that, because in what you are doing now, you have missed like 3 steps or like 5 steps. So now if I show you, let me show you my screen. Can you see now? This Mario now has a different block, okay, to make it change costume. So when it's received the hit box, it does this, okay? And then this level now, this level now, this level has its own function. So if you jump all these steps, if you don't understand how these steps work, okay, before you jump to this part, it will be confusing, okay, because this pawn X now and pawn Y is to make it go to like those different levels. That's what it does. So what I wanted you to do was to focus on this one now. Remember that program is step by step. So you focus on this. So once you ensure that this left and right is working fine, your character can jump, it can move left and right, and it can switch costume. We can now move to the other ones, okay? So now here, what you do is, what are Mario follow hit boxes? We are replacing the main Mario with this hitbox, okay? And we say, okay, whenever I click the green flag, go to this guy, okay? So when you go to this guy, we want you to have the same effects that the Mario will have on the hitbox, and then make it move left and right. So once you move left and right, and then jump, when you get to this stage, okay, switch to maybe stage 1 or stage 2. So switch from one stage to another, which is where you have level set to 0, and then it goes to X and Y. Okay, switch costume to level 4. Okay, so if it changes level by 1, move to next costume. So that's what that door. So you have to take it one step at a time. Okay. So you have to take it one step at a time. So first you need to do this. Okay. You do this. So you need to do all this one before your game can have some bit of effect. So I think time is so first do this. Now that you have the recording, you can take a screenshot. Okay. So this one now, switch costume to Super Mario +1. So this will, so when you click the right arrow key, it's going to take the costume, okay, and check the costume number. What's the costume number? And then add 1 to it. When you click on the left arrow key, it's going to do the same thing, point in direction -90. Now, the reason why you have state set rotation style is so that it doesn't flip upside down, okay? And then when you do -90, that means when you use the left arrow key, take the same costume, switch costume to whatever the costume number, and then -1 from it. Okay, so when you -1 from it, it just makes it move left. Make it move left. Your costume. Now this hitbox now is when you click on this, when the game starts, okay, you start with the hitbox. You start playing, you use your left arrow key. It changes the costume from one level to another. So reason why we use the switch costume to Mario is so that it can switch back to the main character itself instead of this hitbox here. Okay. So you need to do this one first and then wait for some second. You do this one. So once you do this one for the Super Mario, you can now go back to the hitbox and then do this level part. Okay. Once you do the level part, this height is not necessary. So once you do this level part, okay, you can now start thinking about this spawn X, this spawn X and spawn Y. Okay. Now this spawn X and spawn Y, before you do that, okay, before you do that, come here. Where is it? Okay, did you see this? You didn't see this part of it. Okay, so for you to have this -2, 3, and 71 is a position in this. You want this level sprite to bring it out. So you miss like some levels before you move to the other part, which is why your game might not work. So this number that you have here, this number, this 203, go to 203 and go to. So what is just telling it is this is for another costume. So when you broadcast next level, we want you to shift to a different screen position, okay? And that position is -203 and -71. So you come here, you come to this part. Now, if I remove this, you can see that my spawn X is 203, okay? My spawn X is -203, and then my spawn Y is what? -1, -71. So I'm going to come here, set my variable, set my spawn X to this number, set the X to -203, and then bring my spawn X inside it. Okay, so that's just take the position of that. So there are certain conditions that has to be met before an event can take place. Okay, there are certain conditions that must be met before an event can take place. So go through it. Go through it. You have the recordings. Go through it one after the other. If you have an issue, let me know. Okay. So for this one now, everything is organized here. So this red color now. So let me show you now. This red color. Remember that the same spawn X here. Okay. The same spawn X here is the spawn X and the spawn Y. Go to spawn X and spawn Y is here already. So now where you have this red, that red color is coming from this part here. So now what we are saying is if it touches this red line, if it touches this lava, Okay, if it touches this lava, we want it to go back to, we want it to go back. Ideally, what should have happened is if it touches this lava, it should end the game. Okay, it should end the game, or you lose one stage, minus one stage. But we want it this, but we want it, instead of that, we want it to go back to this position. Okay, so that is why where you have that is why you have this if touching this red thing here. Okay, spawn X and Y. So that spawn X and Y is just make it go to somewhere around here on the screen. Okay, so you need to understand how each step work. So the first thing is pay attention to the code very well. After that, you've already done this. Okay, so you need to now look at this. So for you to get this, you need to create other levels too. Okay, you need to create other levels, and then you come back to your Mario sprite and then look at what it is there. So if you have any question during the week, you can extend it to me. Yeah. Sorry, I have to join another meeting. I've not like even brushed I'm not brushed at the moment. So,
Oh, Roland.
so sorry. They are calling me already. So let me know if you have any problem. Then secondly, are we moving the class to Tuesday? Please let me know on time so that I can plan.
I don't think that has yet been resolved yet. So I think we'll still have it on Monday too. Or if there are changes, we'll let you know. Be sure of that.
Okay.
We'll let you know beforehand. If there are changes to that, we'll let you know.
Yeah.
But we're actually trying to establish between the parents and the trainees themselves too. Okay. So just to getting a feedback from the parents that is delaying us from giving a final say.
So the students, are they all in the WhatsApp group?
The
who? The trainee.
No, they are not really using their own phones per se. So it's their parents that we used to communicate with them mostly. It's just a few of them that have a direct number.
Okay, so because we need to like really know why the low turnout.
No, I think the Tel Aviv and the Sydney, they said they are not feeling fine. So they won't have to go to the hospital for some medication this morning. So that's why.
Okay.
They are not here. Then Jassy tried logging. He said he was having network issues. He logged in about twice. Logged out again. I don't know. So that's the situation on hand now.
Okay.
But let's still carry on as we have been.
All right.
Well done. Thank you very much. Just unfortunately, that special class part that we
so we need to we will schedule that for the next
year weekend. Yeah. About anyway, you determine that though. But that I really like that part to be a good one that they start.
So the first thing is he has to, I don't know if he can communicate with his parents. Maybe like do a test run, maybe parents so that they can help him to resolve that issue as early as possible. So maybe
you mean Daniel?
Yeah. So you need to be
as regards
either you or yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, so the parents, I mean, someone, an elderly person should be able to know what the problem is. So if it's the PC or the microphone, or
it is not normal because normally we used to hear him very audible.
Yeah, so all of a sudden, I think during this period, it just started going down. So if it's the issue with the audio level, or you have to change, do some settings.
All right, no problem. We'll look at that.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Right. Wow, well done. All right then. If there's any update, we'll get across to you.
Okay. Just join. And then this lady too. This lady, Lizzie.
Lizinja, yeah. I don't know. She said, I don't know what her status. I can't really say sincerely myself.
Okay. So
But
I think yeah. So I think what would really help is that communication part. So
yeah.
we try to get them getting to talk to them one on one to like really know what the
No, we do that too. We do that. Sincerely, we do that. It is that. We really do that. We do that. So, but I don't just, when it now comes to time for action, many times it's from their end.
it could be some because all of recently, I mean, internet connectivity issue is nationwide problem at the moment. So this period, because even for my end, so I think that could be like one of the major challenges, and then other factors too.
Okay. Problem. But let's just move on with what we have and just maximize what we have for now.
Okay.
So well done.